What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey, it's your boy Ty back with another banger. Yo, so check it out, check it out, check it out. Hey, super appreciative and super thankful we hit that 100,000, right? So before we get into that 100,000 pack, you know, we already got that new trade game merch on the way. You feel me? We got them lime green TG beanies about to drop soon. They'll be on the website soon. I'm not gonna tell you about that pack just yet, but that's that satellite OG, baby. That's that shit to turn you up. You know what it is, you know the vibe, you know what I mean? All right, and then right here, you know, I got that young Lamborghini Dream Zone. It's that new vibe as well. You feel me? That new vibe as well. That nice fit, you feel me? And then I got the award right here, the YouTube award. We're gonna pull that out in a second. Definitely gotta pull that out. But check it, we got this young market execution shirt, so I want you to see the tag. Feel me? Got that new tag in there as well. It's popping. What's cool about this shirt, right, is it glows in the dark. So this is what it looks like. All right. And then boom, like when you got the black light, when you're at like a show or a concert, that bitch glowing in the dark, you know what I'm saying? And then like, let's say you sleep, boom, wake up at night, goddamn, you gotta go ahead and hit that market execution, you know the vibes. So definitely, you know what I'm saying, you need to go ahead and cop this. It'll be on the Trade Gang website, tradegang.com. You cop that and you're gonna be up, you feel me, and get it popping like that. But nonetheless, I know why you guys is here, you feel me? Some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far, that's lit. And that's why today we're excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, that's facts though, you feel me? You've also created valuable connections and built the community along the way. Hey, in that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award. I said reward, it was a word, my bad. Which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congrats on this amazing milestones. Just one of many we hope to follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. That's facts. We about to grow, baby. Because next we about to get that gold, baby. Fuck you talking about all this energy can't be contained in the small ass Forex community. We about to go global. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? All right, whether they come to your channel to learn something new, you know, or just to laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them. Just as your growing community continues to inspire you, we can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. This is fucking lit, yo, no cap, you know? Like, yo, nigga, gotta pull this bitch out. I'm trying to see how to get it. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. You feel me? And that bitch say Ty on it too. You feel what I'm saying though? It's hella lit. Yo, hey, and you can see yourself in that bitch though. I can see myself in that bitch. You feel me? We about to be going up. Let's get it. So y'all do see you got that TY right there. You know what I mean? It got that TY right there, so you do know that it's that vibe. It got that TY, so you do know that it is that vibe right here. So we're gonna get it popping like that. You know what I mean? But yo, hey, that 100K pack, we going up. You feel me? So like I was thinking of really ordering like two, because I want to put one right here when I do, you know, like my streaming, and then like one right here when I do my videos from this angle. But I don't know. It's like this little thing here where you can you know, shit, you can like order as many as you want, as many awards as you want. But hey, I'm hella appreciative, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got it, we did it. What I like though, let me tell you what I really like, right? What I really like is that I didn't have to be no fake ass clown, you know what I'm saying, to go ahead and do what I need to do. Like, I like that I was able to be myself on the way up, and I didn't really have to change to fit nobody else's construct, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that's a blessing in itself, because especially just like in the entertainment business, like so many people, they come in as themselves and they get lost, and you know, they enjoy a level of success, but it's just not the same because it's hard to find themselves. And so often, you know, a lot of those people end up alone and shit. And I'm just, like I said, I'm appreciative I get a chance to be me. Like, that's lit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like in a world where it wants you to be somebody else, to be yourself is a blessing. You know what I mean? But hey, nonetheless, I appreciate all y'all. We have to keep partying, keep vibing, you know what I'm saying? We didn't hit that 100K pack. So next is that championship pack, baby. I got a lot of new merch dropping on tradegang.com. It's me doing all the designing and stuff. So like I designed this, you know what I mean? I designed this joint right here. Like this was your boy Ty. See some of the details. You can see like the stock market in that hole. You see like some of the numbers, like the numbers at the top. You feel me? And it does glow in the dark. Got that neon glow. You feel me? That market execution. Like I designed this. I thought it was really, really cool. My thing was like, I looked at the foreign exchange. I seen the merch. You feel me? I wasn't wearing none of that shit. I'm gonna keep it a whole beam with you. I was like, no, I'm not fucking with that. Like it was just nothing that represents us. You know what I mean? And well, you'll further see the influence as, you know, I just keep growing the channel and keep designing and keep creating. I got some of the designs I have for the foreign exchange industry literally gonna blow your mind. You're gonna be like, yo, how the fuck did you think of that? Like, trust me, I got you. So once again, you just want to be tapped in the trade game. We're about to bring a whole new energy to this game. Obviously, you know, I got the album, so definitely go get the album too, Trade or Die. You know what I'm saying? And just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's keep growing. I'm gonna probably get back on chess. Roll me some of this satellite supply co. You know what I mean? And get it popping. That's that satellite OG. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and get it popping. But hey, once again, that 100K award. You know what I mean? Like that shit is amazing. That shit is amazing. And it's only up from here. It's only up from here. So let's keep doing it. Let's keep grinding. You feel me? Shout out to y'all. Trade gang shit. You feel me? Make sure you go ahead and get ready to cop that new merch. What's dope is like, you see how that shit smacks? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that shit smacks. So you want to have a trade gang, and it's crazy because like this shit just like boom, there it is. It just smacks. I'll make sure I got them colors for you too. You know what I mean? Just so because we need shit to match. You know, you see the Lamborghini Dreams colorway. That's pretty fire. I have fun designing this one as well. This was pretty cool. I didn't think it was gonna come out as dope as it did, as in like how, you know, how big the picture is and bright, but I really like the way, you know, the print came out, and it's one of the designs I actually fancy. You know what I mean? But hey, it's your boy Ty. Let's keep grinding. I'm gonna keep coming back to you with the motherfucking bangers. You know the vibes, baby, and we're gonna keep getting it cracking like that. Peace.